Daddy,
and
Kittens.
wow, look how many fish. They are jumping, yes?
Yes. Crayfish.
Yes, they are crayfish. Look here. What do we have here?
Shrimp.
Yes, they are shrimps.
Daddy, what's next?
It's not snake. This is swamp eel.
Frog.
Yeah, they are frogs.
Fish.
Yes, they are fish. Many different types of fish. Yes, many clams. Yummy, yummy clams.
And oyster.
Yes, and oysters.
Lobster.
The lobster looks a little like a crayfish. Yes?
Yes. Sea cucumber.
Yes. Sea cucumbers are animals, not vegetables. They just have funny name. And now we have
Crab.
yes, crab. Oh, someone lost the leg. Hello! Today we'll make a notice crab. To make a notice crab, we need red tough paper because our crab is
Red.
very good. We need glue. We need pencil. We need small balloon. We need 2 small eyes. We need red pegs. We need eraser just in case. We need scissors. Don't forget, you cannot use the scissors if your parents are not around. We need wire cutters. We need pump. We need red pipe cleaners. And of course, we need hot glue. Don't forget, you cannot use the hot glue if your parents not around. Are you ready? Let's do it! And you see, the woman cut the fish and later she will prepare your favorite food.
Sushi.
Yes, your favorite food is sushi.
Yes. Sponsored by IQ English.
Sister Shark, Sister Shark, Sister Shark, Sister Shark. Daddy Shark, Daddy Shark, Daddy Shark, Daddy Shark. Brother Shark, Brother Shark, Brother Shark, Brother Shark.